Welcome to MoTV. This episode's theme is Cabo, Mexico, and you lucky people get to see our trip. This episode's producer are Shannon Smith and Edwin Fang. Your host today will be Mokwetsi Fala, directed by Stella Fang.
Staff show. Chilling out with Stella over here. Stella's going to introduce herself just now, but we're just hanging out in Cabo, taking it easy. You know what I'm saying? So you all looking for a holiday? Come down to Cabo. Come join the sea cruise. I'll take you upstairs just now so you can take a look. And at the end of the video, we'll introduce the crew members and all my party people. For sure. Hang on. Let's do a taste.
Thank you.
Yeah, by Andrew.
Thank you.
Damn, son. That is good. Bueno.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
After 30 minutes of setting sail, we find ourselves in the Pacific Ocean near Lovers Beach in Cabo.
That's right, baby.
Hi, yeah.
Now in Mexico, you need to say tequila.
Tequila. Yeah, for sure. And we're on top. That's what I said, baby. Cabo. Meet my captain. Main man. Most important man on the ship. Yeah. Say hello.
My name is Jorge. We are on board on the Blue Star today. This is Cabo San Lucas.
Cabo San Lucas with Jorge. For sure. You know it. Best captain ever. You know what I'm saying? For sure.
I'm doing great.
Come, let's interview. And we're also with Nancy Fang over here, visiting all the way from Taiwan, hanging out with us. Nancy, how's the Mexican beer?
Oh, good, really good. I love it. Yeah,
It's
thank
good,
you.
right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's just good for you.
absolutely. Especially with the lemon, huh?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Here, our fellow crew member, Angelo, makes the world's best steak quesadillas.
Steak quesadilla, really good Mexican steak quesadilla.
Steak and Saria.
Oh, look at that smell, man.
Oh, wow. Smells very good.
Oh my gato.
Yeah. Shannon, would you say hi to the camera and tell us how's your trip here in Cabo?
Trip is going fantastic. We're in Cabo San Lucas, Mexico. We're on the Pacific Ocean. Looking for fish. Bonito, Marlin, El Dorado, Mahi Mahi,
Yeah, that's awesome.
and whales.
Well, we've seen a couple of
Saw a
whales.
couple of whales.
Yeah, we've seen a couple of whales. So for my avid travelers who look at MoTV, would you say that Cabo is a great destination?
Get on a boat. Get on the ocean.
For sure. You heard it. Get on a boat, come to Cabo. You know what? What about the tequila?
Oh, tequila. Forgot the
What
tequila.
about, the whole thing she talks about Cabo and doesn't talk about tequila. Oh, that's what I'm talking about.
This is the cutest little jar.
See, how do you come to Cabo and not drink tequila? Come on. And we're on a boat.
We're on a boat.
I'm okay.
We do a Mexican guacamole. Look, a little bit of everything.
Whoa.
Cilantro, onion, lamb, salt, pepper, and the best, Angelito style.
Oh. movie.
Thank you. And how is it like producing a MoTV video out in Cabo? I know we got you especially for this episode. How is it producing for MoTV?
It's very fun. It's very fun. I get to see his perspective on things, and Cabo has been the best trip. For show.
Damn, son. Hi.
Tequila game! That work for everything on Kia. They don't have no fee, you make sure you have a 100% tequila. Good.
Aha! Thank you.
Vámonos.
Thank you.
Goodbye now. Thanks for watching MoTV.